To change the password for any level, first you need to go under mode 5 and put in the password, whatever password you guys may have it as.
Stop! This training video on Bizerba equipment is provided as a customer service to Vandenberg Scale customers who have purchased Bizerba product from Vandenberg Scales in the past. Since 2015, Vandenberg Scales has stopped selling Bizerba and designed our own weight price labeling product so that we can properly support our valued customers. The Vandenberg Scales weight price labeling product is specifically designed to endure the rigors of the processing plant environment, being extremely robust. The Vandenberg Scales weight price labeling equipment is designed to be lower cost to purchase, easier and simpler to operate, much lower cost to maintain, much lower cost to service, and easily serviced by your own technicians while being washdown capable and extremely durable. We have felt your weight price labeling pain over the years and promise not to overprice parts or services, keep the design simple, and use normal industry available parts. Vandenberg Scales still has a large inventory of Bizerba parts that we will eagerly offer substantial discounts to you on. If you have not explored the Vandenberg Scales weight price labeling equipment, you owe it to yourself to have a look. We are confident that once you understand the advantages, you will purchase Vandenberg Scales weight price labeling product.
And then you are going to want to go under Configuration, go under Authorizations Configuration, Password Editor, and in this level you can change each individual mode of what the password you want it as. And for this level, I'm going to do mode 5. First, I'll ask you to enter your old password. Enter new password. You're going to have to confirm it. And now this system is set up for VBS under mode 5. And next I will talk about the eService password editor. And on this editor right here, we always set it to, and that's so any computer or remote location, if you want to talk to the machine through a network, it has access to it. This screen will pop up asking for the password, so we always leave it as. And now it is set up to communicate through the eService with VBS. And the service password, it should always be set to active. And you don't want to mess with that, because that is the backdoor password for the service guys to be able to get into any mode in case you have a problem with your machine. So if that's ever changed, if it's on active or inactive, then it needs to be, the whole machine needs to be RAM cleared.